Today, we're talking about the top 5 places people are moving away from here in Georgia. And spoiler alert, the number 1 spot might just blow your mind. I'll walk you through each city and explain why people are leaving and share where they're headed instead. Let's dive right in. Number 5, this will surprise you. Augusta, Georgia. That's right. This city is on the move, literally. And the Masters is going on right now as I record this video. So, this city is known for hosting, as I said, the world famous Masters golf tournament, but also for its steady population decline, unfortunately. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Hasnah, Augusta has golfed. Sure, but unless you're Tiger Woods or really love the smell of fresh cut grass, that's not enough to keep people around. As of 2024, Augusta's population is estimated to have dropped by just under 1% since 2020. So, why are people moving out? Here are the key reasons. Number 1, economic opportunities. Augusta's economy revolves around healthcare and Fort Gordon military base. While these industries do bring stability, they also lead to frequent relocations. Healthcare professionals often move to larger cities like Atlanta for career growth. And military families, they're often relocated due to changes in assignment. Number 2, retirement choices. Augusta has long been a retirement destination, but many retirees are opting for nearby South Carolina hotspots like Greenville, Hilton Head, or Myrtle Beach for their golden years. These areas offers a more relaxed lifestyle and proximity to coastal amenities. Augusta isn't losing everyone though. It still has its charm, but for many residents, it is simply time to move on. Next up at number 4, Columbus, a city that's seen its population dip about 1.4% since 2020. Columbus has a lot going for it. History, culture, and proximity to Fort Benning military base. But it also has some challenges that are driving people away. And here is why. Number 1, crime and safety concerns. Columbus has struggled with higher than average crime rates over the years. Assaults and murders significantly exceed national averages, which understandably make residents question their safety. And that is reason enough for people to move on. Number 2, weather woes. Columbus is known for its sweltering heat and humidity, especially in the summer, with temperatures averaging several degrees hotter than Atlanta, and it doesn't offer much relief in terms of seasonal variety. For those who crave cooler autumns or snowy winters, this isn't the place. Number 3, quality of life. While efforts have been made to improve recreational opportunities and cultural attractions to Columbus, many residents feel there's still room for improvement compared to other cities in Georgia. Now, moving on to the 3rd place, it's Macon, a city steeped in musical history but struggling with population retention. Macon's population has dropped by about 1.4% since 2020. Let's talk about why. Number 1, crime rates. Macon ranks low on safety metrics. Its crime rating is among the worst in the state. This creates an environment where families often feel compelled to move elsewhere for peace of mind. And that makes sense and it's very understandable. Number 2, education concerns. Bibb County schools have earned consistently below average ratings overall, which makes Macon less appealing for families prioritizing education for their children. Many parents opt to relocate to nearby areas with stronger school systems instead of investing in private school options locally because they can get expensive. Number 3, job market limitations. Macon is far enough from Atlanta that commuting isn't feasible for most people. Yet, local economy hasn't diversified enough to retain talent long term. All right, we're coming up to the number 2 city people are moving away from. And this will surprise you as well. Atlanta itself is at number 2 despite being Georgia's economic powerhouse and cultural hub. Atlanta has seen its population inside the city limit drop by over 2% since 2020. So why are people leaving Atlanta? Number one reason is cost of living. Atlanta's housing market can be prohibitively expensive compared to surrounding suburbs or rural areas. Property tax and utilities add up quickly. And while the city offers plenty of amenities, not everyone feels they're worth the price tag. And number 2, remote work revolution, right? The rise of work from home opportunities has allowed many Atlantans to trade city life for suburban rural settings without sacrificing their careers. A trend that is reshaping a lot of metro areas nationwide. In fact, many are choosing to live further north and commute into Atlanta. Number 3, education options. Parents are seeking top-tier public schools, and they often look outside of Atlanta city limits, especially towards the suburban districts like Alpharetta, Marietta, and Cumming. I have seen many families relocate north of Atlanta Metro and commute into the city for their careers just because the cost of living is a little bit better and education for families with children is much better than those around Atlanta city limits. And now coming up to the number 1 city people are moving away from here in Georgia, and that is Albany, Georgia. With nearly 4% of its population gone since 2020, Albany tops our list of the state's most abandoned city. Here's what's driving this exodus. Number 1, crime rates. Albany struggles with safety issues. Its crime rate is significantly higher than the national average, including 3 times more murders than most US cities. Yikes. I would leave Albany as well. Besides the crime, another reason why people are leaving Albany is economic challenges. Nearly 30% of Albany's residents live below the poverty line, a staggering statistic that reflects limited job opportunities and economic stagnation. Albany's schools rank poorly compared to statewide averages, making it difficult for families seeking quality education options. In July 2024 alone, home prices in Albany dropped by 24% compared to the previous year. So there you have it, the top 5 places Georgians are moving away from. And each city tells a unique story about shifting demographics and priorities, from economic opportunities to safety concerns and lifestyle preferences. So, what do you think? Have you lived in any of these cities? Are you surprised by any of them? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your perspective. And if you're thinking about making a move yourself, whether it is to Georgia or out of it, I am here to help. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss a video like this one. And until I see you in the next video, I hope you have a great day.